And today is going to be a wild weather day. We're going to go through everything that you can imagine, all right? So I hope you enjoyed yesterday. It was quite comfortable. Temperatures climbed about 15 to 20 degrees above where we should be for our average high in the upper 40s. Instead, we traded it for the mid to upper 60s. Wapaka coming in with a high of 67 degrees. So did Watoma. And we're still sitting in this nice warm air mass sitting right over the Great Lakes. You could see it. We're sitting in the 60s from Green Bay south to Chicago. It's even warmer. It's Minneapolis, but did you see the Dakotas? There's teens over there and a lot going on, but we're sitting pretty into the upper 50s to low 60s. You don't even need that jacket as you head out the door today. Maybe pack the raincoat or the windbreaker because it is going to be quite breezy. Gusts right now are up to 25 miles per hour, winds sustained, a constant wind at about 20. So of course we are looking at it continuing to stay windy and warm here throughout a good chunk of the afternoon, but then everything changes by this evening. But first, let's try to hit some 70s, right? Last time we hit 70 degrees was November 3rd. It wasn't that long ago. We've been spoiled through October and into November. Let's continue the trend. Can we break the 67 degrees? I think we will today. Little slice of 70s pushes right through the Fox Valley and Lakeshore before we get smacked with reality, and reality is going to sit here for quite a while. You can't have two big air masses like that without showers and storms once they collide. So we are looking at a marginal risk for some strong to severe weather off into our western hometowns. Of course, we could see gusts as this line comes in of 50 to 60 miles per hour. So where is it right now? It is way over here, but you can see there's a lot going on just to the north of us. Heavy snowfall right now into Bismarck, North Dakota. They are in a blizzard warning right now, and we're looking at ice storm warnings as well. So this is a heavy, wet system because, you know, it's early in the season. That's what we usually get first off. So be happy that we're on the south side and the east side of the system where we are going to get rain chances, storm chances, but it does turn into a light wintry mix overnight and early tomorrow morning. So sunshine to start today, clouds pushing in by 2 o'clock. After that, chances for scattered showers as the front gets near us. The front itself wants to push in between 5 and 7 into the Fox Valley and Lakeshore. Of course, still continuing showers throughout the overnight hours. There's that cold air really surging in where it does bring that wintry mix possibility after 3 a.m. and through our early morning hours. After that, we get blasted with the cold air. It turns on Lake Superior's lake effect snow machine, and it is going to send some of that into our Northwoods. Vilas County could see some of that as well. Even Lake Winnebago could spurt off some lake effect snow showers there. Nothing major, but it could happen. Here we are by Friday evening into our Saturday when we are in the brunt of the coldest weather here. We are going to see that lake effect turning on, and of course, trying to start to freeze some of those lakes. It's not going to happen just yet, but it is going to drop that water temperature rapidly. 62 degrees out there. My goodness, we're in tank tops right now. If you wear a tank top, send me a picture. Do it. It's November 10th. 71 degrees is your high, and you know what's happening after that. Smacked with reality, below freezing tonight and barely climbing for our highs tomorrow into the mid to upper 30s. That's it. And yes, it gets worse. As we go into Saturday and Sunday, mid 30s, struggling to get above that freezing mark as our high temperature. These are well below average highs. We're supposed to be in the upper 40s. Now we're dropping 10 degrees below that, and we're holding there, not to mention wintry mix wants to push on in midweek next week, which could bring some accumulating snowfall with it too.
Oh, the S word, it's making a comeback.
I know, I'm sorry.
Thanks, Brittany. We'll be right back.